Large cities with traffic congestion problems such as Los Angeles, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Dubai have stepped forward and offered their cooperation to drone aviation innovators. They want to be the first to welcome and make passenger drone taxis a reality in their metropolises. Various companies are working towards viable passenger drones by addressing the mechanical, engineering, safety, and regulatory challenges. In this video, we will show you some of the best passenger drones. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. The workhorse Surefly first made its debut back in 2017, and since then has garnered significant international attention. Almost all of the passenger drones on this list use electric power to generate lift. The workhorse Surefly is unique in that it uses both a gasoline generator and electric battery packs as backup should the generator fail. With a strong focus on safety, the Surefly uses 8 propellers for flight, all independently powered. Built-in algorithms allow it to fly with as few as 4 propellers. Deploying a ballistic parachute is also a possibility in case of an emergency. Early on the scene, the EHang 184 was one of the first drones built for human transportation. It is one of the few companies that has already tested extensively with human passengers, over 1,000 test flights. It is also one of the most compact passenger drones we've covered here. Similar to the Surefly, it uses 8 propellers and it can travel about 10 miles in a single flight. Unlike some of the others on this list, this flight can be completely hands-off with no pilot input. EHang has extensive experience in building consumer UAV flight programs and uses similar algorithms to control their autonomous passenger aircraft. EHang is also looking to provide a drone taxi service to alleviate traffic congestion and speed up morning commutes. Aurora Flight Sciences, a Boeing company, is developing 2- and 4-seat variants of their PAV and have completed early flight testing. The vehicle is fully electric and designed for a range of up to 50 miles. The system has unique Falcon Wing-style doors that allows for easy entry and exits for passengers. The system flies completely autonomously. Founded by Google co-founder Larry Page, the Kitty Hawk Flyer is more of a personal flying car than a full autonomous passenger drone. It is fully electric and has about a 20-minute flight time. No less than 10 large fans power this drone. Specialty software helps to smooth control inputs and stabilize the flight. Due to fitting inside the FAA ultralight regulations, the Flyer will be much more accessible to the public than other drones once they're available. An offshoot of the Kitty Hawk Flyer above, the Cora was designed strictly as an air taxi. It uses 12 propellers for the VTOL portion of its flight. For forward flight, it uses a pair of high-lift wings and a rearward-facing thruster. It recently received backing from the New Zealand government, which is looking to rapidly decrease emissions over the next years via electric transportation. New Zealand was also one of the only places in the world that was willing to work with Kitty Hawk in terms of the regulatory hurdles that were keeping it grounded in the USA. The UAV is completely self-piloting. German-engineered Volocopter probably looks the most like a traditional helicopter. It has all of its propellers mounted at the top of the airframe. The Volocopter uses no less than 18 propellers to power its flight. Also, it is one of the few to use fiber optic cables for its communication networks. The Volocopter 2X is one of the few passenger drones that holds a parachute in case of an emergency. It uses a single joystick for flight control and is ready for complete autonomous human flight once the regulations do finally catch up to allow it. The Volocopter recently completed the first flights over Dubai, which is pushing to have the first fully functioning drone taxi system in the world. Having already disrupted the taxi industry in a big way, Uber shows no signs of stopping with their recent initiative, Uber Elevate. They call Uber Elevate an on-demand aviation service, similar to what they currently offer in the world of automobiles, but for the air. The company envisions a world where a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing autonomous taxis will show up at the nearest VTOL landing pad, after travelers request one via an app. They feel that with enough volume, VTOL will become just as affordable as regular transport via automobile and will greatly increase quality of life for those with long daily commutes. Uber has lofty goals, but also has the capital to back them up. They are aware of any potential regulatory, engineering, and safety concerns and are working hard to address them. The concept of Lilium Jet arose from a dream of a world where anyone could fly wherever and whenever they wanted. Lilium assessed more than 20 existing aircraft concepts, from multicopters to tilt-rotor aircraft, to find a solution that could satisfy their requirements. Lilium plans to operate Lilium Jet as an app-based mobility solution that is affordable, environmentally friendly, and available on demand. The all-electric Lilium Jet is capable of transporting 5 passengers and can cover 300 kilometers in just an hour on a single charge. It takes off and lands vertically thanks to 36 tilting jet engines spread across 4 wings. Eventually, it will be capable of flying autonomously. Designed with simplicity in mind, Lilium Jet has no tail, rudder, gearboxes, or oil circuits. It only has one moving part in each engine. With fewer components, the safer and more affordable an aircraft becomes. Its design was also influenced by biomimicry, with the streamlined shape and effortless elegance of the manta ray serving as key inspiration. Lilium Jet has a wingspan of around 11 meters, with 2 sets of wings providing a distinct look, as well as increased lift and maneuverability. Its 36 engines sit directly on tilting flaps across the wings, allowing the aircraft to be controlled by thrust vectoring, a concept more commonly associated with jet propulsion. The revolutions per minute and angle of each set of engines can be changed within a tenth of a second, enabling smooth and precise trajectory. When launched, this drone was simply titled Passenger Drone. It was recently purchased by Astro Aerospace, and the project has since been called Elroy. This manned drone is constructed completely of carbon fiber and has a strong focus on passenger comfort. Their touch flight system allows for passengers to fly the drone autonomously or manually. The 16 rotors allow for redundancy should a motor fail mid-flight. They recently hired Paul Beard, CEO of www.uavionics.com, to head their development team. Recently, they were approved for flights in Canada by Transport Canada, an exciting step for manned passenger drone flights. The Cormorant is unique in that it targets the emergency and first responder market. They have built a passenger drone that will allow for rapid access to disaster areas and the extrication of casualties. The drone can deliver up to 500 kilograms of cargo or equipment. Remotely operated control arms for specialty missions make this manned drone one of a kind. Ducted fan-style motors allow for increased safety when flying in hazardous or crowded conditions. Like some of the other drones listed here, the Cormorant has an integrated parachute system that safely lowers the drone and payload in case of powertrain failure. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe traveling in a drone will be a normal thing in the next 10 years. Let us know what you think.